people who usually say that why is my karma bad? Why do I suffer so much? Why is it only me? These are the questions I keep getting every day almost in my readings, and this has been a permanent question. I think people feel that whatever happens, it happens only with them. So this is a kind of thought process. It's a mentality that we feel that our suffering is the highest of all, and maybe people are suffering less than us, and we've been treating bad by God and the divine energy. So this kind of thing keeps running in people's mind, and these questions are being asked very, very frequently. In my readings, in my consultations. So I thought let's make a quick video and give you all a gist about this energy, and make you all know what exactly we go through at times when there's really very severe karma processing going on. Okay. Hi, this is Vrishali. I'm a psychic medium and a spiritual healer. You are most welcome to subscribe my YouTube channel. I keep posting a lot of videos, and today we are talking about why me, or why is my karma always bad. So quickly, let's get into this subject, and I want to say that if you are facing really hard times, hardships in terms of money, in terms of relationships, in terms of maybe job or financial debt, understand one thing: universe always plans people, places, situations or circumstances in our life based on our own energy, frequency and vibration. So you may be carrying this particular lesson as part of your soul contract when you are born during this timeline. So this can come up for healing from your past life, maybe your present life, and you're supposed to address the issues. So people who are coming in your life to give you these hard lessons are nothing but just an expression of the energy for you to work through this toughest, hardest lesson. Okay, so let me put it as an example. Suppose you had a very severe heartbreak over a beautiful relationship that you almost thought you would get married to that person. It was a dream relationship, it was a dream marriage. Okay, and you have, feeling heartbroken because you just don't know why suddenly this relationship broke. Now, what is at play? It's the karma. It's not about being bad or good karma. It's about this person is destined to leave you at a certain point in your life only for you to grow spiritually, to get awakened on the spiritual path, okay, to understand yourself more and your needs. Maybe there's a higher level soulmate for you. Maybe there is a person who is going to love you more than what you had earlier in your life. Now let's take another example. Suppose you had a well-paying, high-paying job, you absolutely loved it, but back of the mind you were constantly cribbing, you were constantly giving out energies of hatred, or you're just too tired with the monotonously of it, you're bored of it, and you don't get to probably experiment a lot of things. You have a big fat salary, you are comfortable, you are living a luxurious life, everything is all right, but you are not happy because it is not giving you a satisfaction, it is not giving you your soul purpose or your soul mission or something that will satisfy your soul. It will not quench the thirst of your soul to do something on your own. You have this high desire inside you, and suddenly you lose this job. There's no big reason, there is no notice, and suddenly this high paying job is vanished, and you feel like, why me? Why is my karma bad? What wrong did I do? But it was your subconscious mind that was communicating with the universe on a high level of frequency of negativity, and that is why you manifested this result. Now, is this a totally negative situation? No, it's not. At this point, at this junction of your life, you need experts, someone like me or any other spiritual guru whom you trust, who knows exactly how to put you back on the track where you can not only manifest good amount of money, but satisfaction and something that will quench your soul. Like you will feel happy, you are not going to crave anymore, right? and that opportunity will come only if you identify those particular patterns, you cut those particular patterns of cycle of repetitive similar experiences. Only then will you land to the right place, right people will connect, right situations will happen. And all this is planted very well by universe. Okay, it is always the timing that we meet the people. So they always say right time, right opportunity. Okay, so nothing is bad, there is no bad karma. Okay, there is no good karma, it is just the lesson, it's purely the lesson. Okay, so when you donate, when you do good things, it will just bring you good experiences. So nobody's got the right to say, oh, he or she may be having a bad karma, that's why she is suffering. People usually have this thing, right? Like somebody is suffering, they want them to suffer more because they think that it's their karma that they have to go through all of that crap alone. But it's not like that. We are all one. End of the day, we all are humans. We are supposed to be compassionate towards each other, are supposed to be having unconditional love and treat others with love and respect. This is what the universal truth is, and this is what God expects out of us. And until unless we don't learn our lessons and practice them in the practical world, we all are bound to process various karmas at various levels with different people, places, situations or circumstances, which I have mentioned earlier. Okay, so if you want me to help you to decode all of this that's going on, maybe relationship, money, not getting children, like people face difficulties in getting pregnant or they're losing children during pregnancy, business losses, financial losses, okay, or educational, career related problem, kids are not cooperating, difficulties understanding your spouse, relationship problems, love problems, or you're not able to get married only even after being and dating the same person for several years, not able to understand whether to go ahead or not. Maybe you're stuck in a karmic marriage, maybe you just don't know how to come out of your karmic marriage cage. There could be n number of issues that you're going through, right? I am a psychic medium, a spiritual expert. I can help you through each problem. I can walk you out of each problem. End of the day, you will be happy. And this is no jargon. I help a lot of people across the globe. I'm on the panel of Astro Yoga and Astro Talk. You can see my shows there. Okay, you can see my reviews. You can quickly download the app, and you can also see I help people on daily basis, and lots of people are benefited. And I can help you through all of the difficult times that you're going through. They also offer lovely crystals and all healing products, okay, like pendants, healing stones, japa malas, okay, shaligram related products, so many things we have. Okay, I want you to look at the videos which we upload on YouTube and on other social media pages. You would love to see some of our unique products. And if you have any questions, you could always mail us. You can directly message us, and I think we will quickly respond to you. And this is all I wanted to say right now. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you've liked it, please do share with your friends and family, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.